dab it, and then I kind of like that's what I do. I dab it and dab it. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, we are going to be unboxing the October 2019 Ipsy Plus. If you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Alright, so you've seen the other day what I got in my Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50. Now this is the $35 subscription. So let's see what we got in this box. I wasn't too impressed with the $35 one. I mean the $50 one. So I think I might cancel that one, give it another month. But I do enjoy this one. So, and the boxes are a little bit different this month. Now, I don't know if they're always going to be like this, but all right. So when you open it up, it says Discover Yourself, just like it does in the Ipsy Ultimate. Now it does have the orange. It used to be blue, and now it's yellow, I think. And that's what she looks like. All right, so it says Flaunt. It's the same card as the Ipsy Ultimate. And does this one give you, okay, so this does give you prices. Now the Ipsy Ultimate didn't give you prices, but this does. All right, so I already see something in here that I'm going to have a giveaway. So we're gonna have a giveaway today. And I'll show you the first thing. So this is the Betty Boop and Ipsy. This is, I believe, the eyeshadow palettes. Now, as I said in my Ipsy Ultimate, if you haven't seen that video, I will leave it down below. I got the full collection, the Betty Boop collection. So I already have this. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway. If you stay to the end, I will show you what is in the Betty Boop and Ipsy collection. So then, but I don't want to open this up since it is going to be for you guys. And that is valued at $30. The next thing I got is the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. Now, I got a blush palette, and I love the blush palette. So I am glad to get the bronzer. This is $30. All right, so that's what it looks like. It has a mirror, and I love bronzer, especially in the winter months. All right, this is like taped down. So let me open that up. And I just put my nail, I'm always putting my nails in there. So that's what it looks like. So let's do some sort. Oh my God, it feels so buttery. Just like kind of like the blushes. So that's what it looks like. So let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like. I think I would mix these two together. This would be too dark, but this is like a good transition shader. You could do anything you want with that. All right, so I am definitely excited to get that. Then, we got these 3 brushes that I got in the Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50, and we have this in the Ipsy Plus. So they retail value for $48. And you know what? I'm going to put this in a giveaway, in today's giveaway, since I already got it in the Ipsy Ultimate. I don't need 2 of them. The next thing I got is from Goldfaden MD Dr. Scrub. Let's see what that is. That's what it looks like. And this is gently massage a quarter-size amount of this scrub onto clean, damp skin. Okay, so it's an exfoliator, which I love exfoliators. So it is wrapped up, so I'm not going to take it out, but it's an exfoliator, which I love. Love, love, love exfoliators. And last but not least, we have this Spectra Stick. I don't know. Let me see. Would you be? Okay, this is a lipstick from Julie Cosmetics in the shade Stella. Let's see. Oh no, this is not a lipstick. This is a highlighter. Yeah, this is a stick highlighter. And that's what it looks like. Let me do a little swatch. These things, what I use when I have my dampened beauty blender, I kind of like dab it, and then I kind of like that's what I do. I dab it and dab it. All right, let's see. Wow, I thought this was going to be lighter. Look at the I thought it would be lighter. So this is definitely a little bit too dark. Let's see about when I put up my lips. Let's see. Oh, I like it on my lips because you can do anything with this. And look, you push it up to close it and push it out to take it out. That's pretty cool. let's see. It says, swipe the stick directly on the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, cupid bow, and bridge of the nose. Then blend out on your fingers with a dampen. Yeah, for me, for my skin tone, it's a little dark. But I like it for your lips. Love that. And of course, you have your little Ipsy bag. Now, this is the first month that for the Ipsy Plus, you get a bag. And it's the same one as the Ipsy Ultimate. I wish that it was a little different, because I know with the regular Ipsy bags, the $12 bags, it's a different one. So if you're getting the Plus and the Ultimate, you're gonna get the same bag. But I think you only need one or the other. I don't think you need the Plus and the Ultimate, because basically the Ultimate, you pay more for just a couple things that you can get in your Ipsy Plus or the regular Ipsy. So like I said, I'm on the fence with that. So let's recap what we got. We got the Lovecraft bronzer palette, which I'm excited for. We have this. It's like I'm not excited for it, but I will use it once in a great while. Then we got the scrub. I'm most excited for that. So we got that. And then in today's giveaway, we are going to have the Betty Boop eyeshadow palette and the brushes. So this is about almost $100 value. The only thing that you have to do is be subscribed, because I like giving back to you guys. Rate the video, so either thumbs up the video or thumbs it down, so either like it or dislike it. Watch this video in full, because it does help me out, and leave a comment. I go by a comment picker, so you can comment as many times as you want. The more times that you comment, the better chances you have on winning, so you can comment as many times as you want. I legit have people comment like 50 to 100 times, and one person literally commented close to 100 times, and she actually won last time. So it does help you out if you do that. It doesn't bother me how many times you do it. All right, so without further ado, let's get on to what is in the Betty Boop Ipsy collection. All right, so I'm definitely excited. I really like the packaging. It's like magnetic. Love that. I think this was like $39 and you get everything. So I will show you the eyeshadow palette, the one that will be in today's giveaway. That way you know what it looks like. And if you don't know, in my Ipsy Ultimate, I have a giveaway in that too. So make sure you check that out so you can enter that as well. I can't get this thing open. Oh my God. And I don't want to, why can't I get it open? Okay. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's extremely pretty. Love that. Has the Betty Boop logo. And so it comes with a mirror, and that's what it looks like. So you only have one matte shade right here, and the rest is like shimmers and metallics. But I'm going to swatch this. So let me get a makeup wipe, and I'm going to take this all off, and I will be right back. All right, clean hand. I thought I'd seen something on there. I'm like, is that clean? All right, so I'm gonna swatch the first 4. And that's what it looks like. All right, so they're not real pigmented, but you know, they're all right. Now, this is the only matte color. I'm surprised it doesn't have more mattes in it. And I love that shade right there. Yeah, these don't swatch real good, but again, you can't go by swatches. It depends. Sometimes when you put it on the eye, it's a little bit different. All right, so then it comes with this eyeliner. Now, I'm not going to open this up because I don't tend to use liquid eyeliner, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, so I don't want to open it up. Then we have the blush palettes. This one is the one in a giveaway. Let me get the blush palette that came in the other one that I opened. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. In my Ultimate bag, I opened this up and I didn't want to put this one in a giveaway. I said I would put this one in the giveaway in that Ultimate. So this is the one that I opened that will go back in my collection. Packaging is so pretty. And let's open Open her up. Comes with a mirror, and those blushes are gorgeous. Oh my God. They're like a peachy color, and they feel so buttery. Let's see. But they're also light. Like, look how light. I am so surprised. Like, if you have a darker skin tone than me, I don't know if it's going to show up. I'm really surprised. All right, so that's that. Let me put that right back so I don't get confused which one goes in the giveaway. So then it comes with, you have this little blending brush, and it has, all of them have like the Betty Boop thing on there. So it's just a blending brush. I love blending brushes. And then we have a mascara, which again, I'm not going to open that because I have so many right now, but it has the Betty Boop right there. All right, so then we have 2 bullet lipsticks, and I probably should have took these out of the packaging before I started. All right, so we have 2 bullet lipsticks. All right, does it have the shades? This is in Boop, Boop Boop a Dupe, and this is Mauve It Baby. So this is Boop Boop a Toop, if you know Betty Boop. We'll open that up. All right, I mean, the packaging is so gorgeous. Love it. All right. So this is like, you gotta have like a red lipstick. You have to. And you know Betty Boop, you know the red lipstick. That is so pretty. That is definitely Betty Boop right there. Okay. And then this is Mauve It Baby. Same packaging. That's pretty too. That's really pretty. Oh, that is gorgeous. That's right up my alley right there. And they're very creamy. All right, so we have that. Oh my God, just threw it. All right, I'll pick that up later. Then we have, I believe these are 2 liquid lipsticks. It's all the same packaging. This is in the shade Hotsy Totsy, and then we have All Jazzed Up. All right. So this is Hotsy Totsy, and this is a lip gloss, I believe. Sparkly, really pretty. Yeah, that's definitely a lip gloss. So you're not going to really see that. It's just like a lip gloss, but that's really gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then we have All Jazzed Up. I believe these are this is still available, this set too. You can't beat this for 40 bucks. I'm just like ripping the stupid packaging. And I'll link it down below if it's still available. And then we have like this clear pinkish color. I'm not going to swatch it because you won't be able to see it anyway. But it's gorgeous. I really like this one. And last but not least, I forget what this is. Right here. What are you? What'd you be? It is a nail polish. That's right. I forgot. And oh, that's pretty. This is like a reddish mauve color. That is gorgeous. And it has the Betty Boop thing right there. So you get a lot. You get an eyeshadow palette. You get a blush. You get an eyeliner. You get a mascara. You get a blending brush. You get 2 bullet lipsticks, 2 lip glosses, and a nail polish for 40 bucks. And I really like this packaging a lot. This is, I'll definitely save this because if you are my age, I am 43 and even older. My mom loves Betty Boop. This will definitely bring back memories. I really like these little things. The last time they had like a little Tetris collection that I really enjoyed as well. So that's everything, guys. So don't forget to enter the giveaway. And please rate this video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Make sure that you are subscribed. Put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified for all my future videos and my giveaways. I enjoy giving back to you guys. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.